about the TCS glass?
Ooh, arriba, baby! That tastes amazing.
What's up, guys? It's Tequila Tuesday.
What's up? It's Taco Tuesday, Tequila Tuesday.
It's everything that's
everything the
Tuesday.
Tuesday day. Taco Tuesday hit different yesterday. Straight. Oh my goodness. We got a bird in the house.
Oh crap! Get that door, get that door, get that door! Go the other way. No, Missy! Missy! Ah!
Bird. Come on. Shit. I was recording. What the hell just happened? There was a bird in the house.
Oh,
Okay, well, either way, last night I didn't film anything from Taco Tuesday. Just went into a bit of a food coma, but now I've just got to grind out the last part of this assignment. It's the final project for one of my 2 last classes that I'm working on, so once I finish this, basically done for the semester. And just like that, another course finished. Now it's time to cook. I chose the recipe for dinner tonight where you're making Korean style sloppy joes.
What's up? 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 What's up?
That's a pretty fat one. Sprinkle some sesame on that bad boy. But. Not even that much. Oh, baby. This is a meal. I need a live reaction.
Mm-hmm.
Good?
That's good.
With the coleslaw too, you picky eater, you. Literally did the exact same thing as Taco Tuesday. Went into another food coma. 2 nights in a row. Gotta stop eating that much. I know that yesterday didn't have the most exciting content because I had to finish an assignment to finish a class for the semester. Today's very much the same.
I woke up around 1 p.m. again, along with stuff around 7 a.m. Monday, not my best friend. I feel better on the weekend. I feel better when I'm sleeping, but the voice is always creeping.
Boom. Just like that. Let's see what I got. That's a B. I'll take it.
Right, I'm taking over the vlog for tonight. So Ryan did the cooking last night. Oh wait, I'm not dressed appropriately for this. So yeah, as I was saying, Ryan did the cooking last night, so I'm doing the cooking tonight, and I'm making a good chicken pot pie for the fam. I don't know how Ryan does this, honestly. How do I make this look cute? Oh, let me just cutely reach past this milk to get my frozen peas. Ah. Is it on? So, I've cut up and cooked the chicken. My lovely sous chef over here has cut all the ingredients for me, and I am now boiling my potatoes and carrots, and now I'm getting my saucepan ready to add some onions. Things are coming together, baby. I just splashed myself, but it was meant to happen. This is so chicken pot pie already. Why is Mom rolling her eyes at me? Let's hope I washed my hands. I had a little oopsie. I thought I was done. Realized I didn't put the chicken broth or the milk in, but we added it and hopefully it tastes okay. Okay, Dad, I need your help because I'm scared of heat.
Say that again.
Alright, we're gonna check on my pot pie. Oh, baby! That's looking good. It's looking good, guys. It is looking good, fellas. Love the enthusiasm. Ooh.
Ooh la la la, my neck been dripped in some agua, yeah. Ooh la la la, my head to my back like a rasta, yeah. Ooh la la la.
Got the whole table set out here.
So I'd like to, first of all...
It exploded.
Okay, so tell us about the pot pie.
Yeah, so
The floor is all sticky. It feels like home. Well, that didn't go as expected. Oops.
Ryan, taste test.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Oh yeah.
This is amazing. Cheers to the chef.
Yeah, Dad.
Cheers to the
It's
chef.
not all gonna be continuous.
And it just happened to be my last day of classes for my third year at Northeastern when I finished my exam earlier today. So now we're just cooling and booling for the summer, or until May 7th when summer classes start.
2 weeks.
Cheers.
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 Cheers. Cheers.
Yeah.
Was I supposed to use the champagne glass?
No, that's alright.
Did I do it like you, Ryan?
So that was an electric meal, but you gotta end the vlog off.
Alright, thank you for watching my segment of the vlog. The meal was thoroughly enjoyed by everyone because I'm Gordon Ramsay. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, smash that subscribe button. Send this to your mom, your grandma, maybe your grandma's best friend and her sister. And maybe we can get this video to this many likes and this many comments so that we can give Ryan pink hair.